as music is filled in the air by the SSB band, it'll be interesting to see what all one gets to see at the different stalls at the Police Technology Exhibition.
आधुनिक भारत, आधुनिक पुलिस, तकनीकों और उपकरणों का प्रदर्शन। इस प्रदर्शनी में जिस प्रदर्शनी का फीता काटकर शुभारंभ करेंगे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी, अर्धसैनिक बल हो, सशस्त्र बल, एनडीआरएफ, बीएसएफ आदि, और इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री के द्वारा फीता खोलकर इस पुलिस प्रौद्योगिकी प्रदर्शनी का उद्घाटन किया गया और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री अब प्रदर्शनी के अवलोकन हेतु हॉल के भीतर प्रवेश कर चुके हैं।
This is the CISF stall. I'm sure the viewers would have used the airport and the metro, and you would have seen the CISF personnel. The theme that is there for the Central Industrial Security Force is aviation security. Now with the facial recognition technology, the entire process of entering the airport and getting to the security check could be much faster and efficient.
इसमें यात्री को समय कम लगेगा और साथ ही जो सुरक्षा के लोग हैं उनकी संख्या भी कम हो जाएगी।
If the passenger is carrying a ticket, you could enter a PNR number on the kiosk, or if you're carrying a boarding pass, it will ensure facial recognition technology. This is the stall of the NSG, that's the National Security Guards.
एनएसजी कमांडोज को आपने डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के दौरान देखा होगा और यहाँ भी एनएसजी कमांडो को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया गया है और 5 मिनट के अंदर वो अपनी पूरी किट पहनकर किसी भी मुश्किल चुनौती का सामना करने के लिए तैयार रहता है।
That's the Gujarat Police stall, which is showcasing the Vishwas project. And here in the NSG stall, one can see the different weaponry, whether it is the MP5 weapon, the MPX weapon, pistol Glocks, SIG rifles, multi-grenade launchers, all of them have been displayed. And one can also see a mannequin of the NSG commando, how the commando wears a bulletproof jacket, and the entire tech gear that includes the ammunition, magazines, commando dagger, tear gas, stun grenade, weapon is there. That's the number 112. The stall of Ministry of Home Affairs.
अमित, एक नंबर, एक आपातकाल। आप देश के किसी भी हिस्से में हैं, वहां से सिर्फ एक नंबर आपको डायल करना है। अगर आप 112 नामक मोबाइल ऐप अपने मोबाइल में इंस्टॉल कर रखे हैं तो आपके जगह की सूचना भी कंट्रोल रूम तक पहुंचेगी।
Apart from 112, the other MHA initiatives include the creation of national database on sexual offenders, e-prison suit, e-mulaqat, and now this is the CRPF stall, Central Reserve Police Force.
ये सीआरपीएफ का वो हिस्सा है जहां वीरता पुरस्कारों से सम्मानित जवानों की वीर गाथा का प्रदर्शन किया गया है। एक लंबा इतिहास 1939 से लेकर अब तक रहा है सीआरपीएफ का।
Interesting you mention about the journey of CRPF that started from 1939 when the force was called Crown Representatives Police, and it was created by the British government to deal with various princely states of pre-independent India, one that Sardar Patel unified to ensure modern India. And exactly 10 years later, it was in 1949 when they got their present name, Central Reserve Police Force. But I think CRPF would foremost remember 1950 when in March they got the president colors by the then Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Honorable Director General CRPF informing the Prime Minister about the initiatives taken by CRPF. CRPF also has a canine training center in Bangalore, and in addition to the Jawans, the canines play a very important role in ensuring security of India. We did see the demonstration by the National Security Guards. This is the equipment that can work with the remote, can sense any explosive device, and then it can buzz the total containment vehicle and ensure that there is no damage to the environment. The Maharashtra Police also has initiatives which are driven by technology, whether it is the Mumbai Police Radio Tracking System, e-learning center, water disruptor, or e-academy.
सरदार पटेल का सपना था कि हमारे देश की सेना और हमारे देश के सैनिक आधुनिक हों, और उस सपने को आज साकार करती है ये प्रदर्शनी।
The Border Security Force is called the first line of defense. It was formed on 1st of December 1965. The force has already celebrated their golden jubilee, and they are now in the 54th year of their existence. In their stall, they have depicted the latest weaponry that the BSF deploys. And in the Uttar Pradesh pavilion, there is a demonstration of this mortar, which is used in anti-terrorist operations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi keenly observing the various exhibits at the police technology exhibition.
और वाकई गौरव की अनुभूति होती है जब हमारे देश की सेना और देश की पुलिस आधुनिकीकरण के रास्ते पर अग्रसर होती है और देश का नेतृत्व करता खास तौर पर प्रफुल्लित होता है। ये सब जानकर संभवतः यही भाव इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी के मन में चल रहे होंगे।
In the BSF stall, there's a display of the artillery gun, mortars, automatic grenade launcher. There's a dual technology that can prevent any intruder.
इस पूरे प्रदर्शनी को 2 हिस्सों में बांटा गया है। हॉल नंबर 1 में जो स्टॉल्स लगे थे उसको देखने के बाद अब प्रधानमंत्री प्रदर्शनी के दूसरे हिस्से की ओर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
There are latest technologies for improved communication. Communication and coordination is so very critical, especially when you have an emergency. And these technologies bridge that gap, expedite the process, makes it seamless. And therefore it is very essential for a modern police force to embrace latest technological innovations. An Honorable Prime Minister is someone who always fosters innovation.
इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री झारखंड पुलिस डेडिकेशन, इनोवेशन और सर्विस के संदेशवाहक आधुनिक उपकरणों की जानकारियां प्राप्त करते हुए प्राइवेट क्लाउड डेटा सेंटर और उससे संबंधित प्रदर्शनी में झारखंड पुलिस के द्वारा किया गया है।
Lot of digital initiatives on display, how an efficient security management system can enable any sector to perform better.
यह है दिल्ली पुलिस का स्टॉल और दिल्ली पुलिस ने यहां मुख्य रूप से 4 चीजों पर फोकस किया है: निपुण, ई मलखाना, ई लाइसेंसिंग और तत्पर।
साथ ही इस प्रदर्शनी में सरदार पटेल की कुछ पुरानी तस्वीरों का भी प्रदर्शन किया गया है। दिल्ली पुलिस ने जो आजादी के बाद की तस्वीरें हैं सरदार पटेल की।
When the Prime Minister administered the National Unity Pledge, it said that I do solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. And therefore it's essential that the viewers watching this telecast understand how different police forces work, especially when you talk about NDRF. This is a very special police force to respond to any disaster, the National Disaster Response Force.
चाहे प्राकृतिक आपदा हो या फिर आतंकवाद और उग्रवाद से जुड़ी आपदा, राष्ट्रीय आपदा मोचन बल के जवान बहुत ही मुस्तैदी से तुरंत और प्रभावी सेवा पहुंचाने के लिए तत्पर रहते हैं।
From time to time, NDRF conducts life-saving skills in different communities. And that includes how to do CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It can save lives. How to ensure bleeding control, how to handle fractures, how to create rafts during floods, how to wear a life jacket. It could be as simple as how do I wear a life jacket?
प्रधानमंत्री इस समय गुजरात पुलिस के स्टॉल में और विश्वास प्रोजेक्ट जो गुजरात पुलिस की ओर चलाया जा रहा है, पूरे राज्य भर में उसकी जानकारी लेते हुए।
Absolutely. In fact, when the Prime Minister was the then Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2013-14, he had envisaged the Project Vishwas, Video Integration and Statewide Advanced Security, and now it stands implemented in all 34 districts of Gujarat. National development takes place when citizens and organizations are committed to security and integrity as a core value. And this week that started on 28th of October is also observed as Vigilance Awareness Week, and it is a tribute to the values of probity and integrity of Sardar Patel. This vehicle that we see now of Jammu and Kashmir Police is called Mobile Command Vehicle. Now, if one looks at the current policing and internal security scenario in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the response is by multiple agencies. That could include Jammu and Kashmir Police, Central Armed Police Forces, the National Security Guards, MARCOs, State Disaster Response Forces, forensic teams, crime teams, health services, etc. And therefore, there is a need for coordination among these multiple responding agencies. Mobile Command Vehicle that you see now and that the police officials are briefing the Honorable Prime Minister is a tried and tested solution to ensure that seamless coordination and communication between multiple responding agencies.
जी बिल्कुल, आंतरिक सुरक्षा के लिहाज से जम्मू और कश्मीर में कई एजेंसियां तैनात हैं। इन सभी के बीच में समन्वय स्थापित करने का काम करेगा ये MCV यानी कि मोबाइल कमांड व्हीकल।
For better security, it's essential that the public-police relations are strengthened. And when the public comes to know about how police is constantly endeavoring to ensure our security, that bond certainly gets strengthened.